Everybody, day number 9. Woo. So we've had some really freaking cool things recently. Are we ready to see what's next? What's this? Oh! These, give me a second to get the thingy-majiggy off there. These, I'm gonna have to open these up so we can even look at all of them. Okay, so this is day number 9. We've got a beautiful northern lights. So these are kind of like the car smelly thingies that you hang on your mirror. I don't remember what they're called. So yeah, these are basically those, but nothing on them. You can put your own oils on them. Oh yeah, that's exciting. Isn't that beautiful? That's the Northern Lights Farm.
Ready?
Here in Fort Nelson, BC. Oils are essential. Oh, I love that. Pining for oils. Ah, so cute. I love it. That's day number 9, you guys. Are you excited? I know I am. Ooh, those are so freaking cute. Okay, that's day number 9, you guys. Stay tuned tomorrow for day number 10. Day number 10. Do 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 do.